This Torah class is brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.
Today, Yud Gimmel Nissan is a mysterious day on the Jewish calendar. The Achronim are bothered. Why don't we say Tachnon today on Yud Gimmel Nissan? This is the question raised in the Hagois Chasam Sofer in Shulchan Aruch, Arachayim, Siman Tav Chav Tes. And he brings the kasha of the Achronim. Look in the Knesset Yecheskel, Siman Kuf Yud Zayin. And the kasha is, why do we not say Tachnon on Yud Gimmel Nissan? All the other days of Nissan are accounted for. The first 12 days, the Nesiim brought their karbanos, so when you bring a carbon, it's a Yom Tif. Yud Dalet is Erev Pesach, then you have Pesach, then you have Isru Chag. Even the final 7 days of Nissan, the Chasam Sofer brings down in his footnotes, the Kaf HaChaim brings from the Ma'aser Rekeach, that we have a tradition that the inauguration of the Beis HaMikdash, La'asid Lavai, will be on the last 7 days of Nissan. But Yud Gimmel is mysteriously does not have a reason why we don't say Tachnan. So you'll ask, what do you mean? You have a reason for the rest of the 29 days, so one day you don't have a reason. Don't the Achronim say, since Roiv of the month passes in Kedusha, so we don't say Tachnan the whole month? So it seems that what the Achronim are bothered by is, since they're not necessarily working with the Ma'aser Rekeach of the last 7 days of Nisan, not saying Tachnan because those are the days of the inauguration of the third Beis HaMikdash, if you don't have a reason for Yud Gimmel, then you don't have the majority of the month. Because the first 12 days, 12 is not a majority. And then Erev Pesach and Isru Chag, that's not a majority either. So this is the question the Achronim deal with, the mystery of Yud Gimmel Nisan. And you could read this in the new Sefer Maggid Harakiah, like we mentioned many times, that's available on the Torah Anytime website. You go to Speakers, Glatstein, there's a link, you could order the Sefer, free shipping to anywhere in the United States. And if you look in the Achronim, they provide 5 reasons for why we don't say Tachnan on Yud Gimmel Nisan. Firstly, Rav Isaac Tirna in the Sefer HaMinhagim brings this question, and he says Yud Gimmel Nisan is Isru Chag. It's Isru Chag for the Nesiim. It's the final day of the bringing of the final day the Nesiim brought their karbanos was the 12th, and the 13th is Isru Chag. The Shloah HaKadosh writes in Masechta Psachim, a second answer, that the first 12 days were the Yom Tif for the 12 Nesiim of the 12 Shvatim, but we know Shevet Levi did not have a chelik in the Hakrava of the karbanos of the Chanukah. And even Aaron was mitztayer that he didn't have a chelik. So HaKadosh Baruch Hu said, don't worry, your chelik is greater. So the 13th day is Keneged Kedushas Levi, which is greater than the Kedusha of the other Shvatim. Then the Chasam Sofer in his footnotes on Shulchan Aruch brings another 3 reasons why Yud Gimmel Nisan is a quasi Yom Tif. First of all, says the Chasam Sofer, Achira ben Einan, who brought his carbon on the 12th day of Nisan, it's a carbon shlamim, which is ne'echal for 2 days. So the 13th is still the Yemei Achila of the carbon of Achira ben Einan. Secondly, says the Chasam Sofer, he found in the Bereishis Rabbah that the turning over of Siddim was on the 16th of Nisan, which means the Malachim came to Avraham on the 15th of Nisan, which means Avraham's Milah was the 13th of Nisan. So Yud Gimmel is the Yom HaMilah of Avram Avinu. How wondrous is this day, the Yom HaMilah of Avram Avinu. And finally, the Chasam Sofer says, he brings the Shita of the Rimi Korbil, in the quote in the Russian Avrei Psachim, that Erev Pesach, that year of the Hakrav of the Nesiim, came out on Shabbos, and all of Klal Yisrael brought their Chargiga on Erev Shabbos, which was Yud Gimmel, and it was also a Yom Tif. So here we have 5 unique reasons why Yud Gimmel Nisan is Yom Tif B'fnei Atzmai. Wishing everyone a Freilichen, Kosherin, Yud Gimmel Nisan.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.